मर्दों का नेशनल क्रश आपके साथ है।
रोहित शराब।
जी
रोहित शराब।
यहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा स्टारी टाइप का व्यक्ति कौन है?
क्या है?
यार अगर इनमें से तो रोहित ही
अबे
होगा।
For some time I was actually just at home because I didn't have anything to look forward to. I wasn't working on any other projects.
प्यार हुआ किसी को ऐसा पिक्चर देखने के बाद? Have you ever like
I didn't do anything, he didn't do anything.
कटता तो
चार में क्या कर लेते क्लास 4 में?
अरे हाथ तो पकड़ लेते।
School, yeah, there was one, and it was just so cute. And now that I think about it, I'm like, what the, like, okay.
But I think my first crush was, I've spoken about this. She came and there was this one time she pulled my cheek and she said, you look very cute. And that really made me so happy.
You can't explain और pinpoint कि क्या महसूस हो रहा है, लेकिन कुछ तो हो रहा है।
बट प्यारी था ना, कंफर्म कुछ और
Acidity.
मतलब सर घूम रहा है और
Yes.
हेलो एंड वेलकम, यू वाचिंग सितारे मस्ती में। मैं नितिन आपके साथ, और आज जिस फिल्म की बात करने वाले हैं उससे पता लगेगा कि सच्चा प्यार होता है या ये राह इज फुल ऑफ रिस्क। वी हैव विद अस इश्क विश्क रिबाउंड की खास।
That was a fabulous introduction.
थैंक यू
Yeah.
सो मच,
It
थैंक
was
यू।
very different from everybody
Hi,
else.
hi.
I
Thank you.
liked it a
The
lot.
novelty, I must say, is
इतनी
just.
खुशी.
इतनी खुशी आज तक नहीं, किसी ने तारीफ नहीं की। देखो मैं यहाँ बैठ के ना झूठी तारीफें करता हूँ यूजुअली,
Oh,
लेकिन
no.
लेकिन
अरे,
नहीं
So
यूजुअली
I'm suddenly rethinking of all the times he
Yes.
said this to us.
Especially on stage.
ऐसा नहीं है। पश्मीना रोशन इन द हाउस, रोहित सराफ, वेलकम 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 वेलकम, एंड ऑफ कोर्स मैं तेरा हाय रे जिब्रा,
Nice.
जिब्रान खान इन द हाउस, एंड नाइला ग्रेवाल। स्वागत आप सबका। मुझे बोलो,
Thank you.
मतलब वो कहते हैं ना नोवेल्टी लेके आ रहे हो, कुछ अलग लेके यहाँ नाम बड़े अलग अलग है। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद यू, टॉक टू अस अबाउट दिस नेम। और कितनी बार लोगों ने गलत सलत प्रोनाउंस किया?
बहुत गलत
क्या
pronounce
बोलते हैं?
करते हैं। पश्मीना मोस्टली होता है।
हाँ।
पश्मीन। पर हमारे फैमिली में एक जोक है
हाँ।
कि मेरी दादी ने हमारे सारे नाम रखे हैं।
हाँ।
तो सारे ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन का नाम यूनिक, पश्मीना, ईशान, ऋतिक, सुनैना, और खुद के बच्चों का नाम क्या? राजेश और राकेश।
राजेश और राकेश.
कमाल है।
The
दादी नाम को
Roshan.
याद करते हैं, मतलब यहाँ पे उन पे ही पंच मार के शुरुआत करी है।
जी।
The Pash people can call you Pash. no?
Pash is what these guys also call
Because
me
that
Pash.
goes really well with your personality ना, Pashmina
Pash is
ऐसा नहीं
correct.
जाएगा।
वो हम बुलाते हैं, अरे पश्मीना.
You can't say Pashmina. You can say Pashmina.
Pashmina.
Then it
Pashmina.
goes, na Pashmina.
Pashmina.
No, but Pash is what I prefer. I love
वातावरण बहुत अच्छा है यहाँ का।
Yeah.
जिब्रान for you, क्या क्या
सर
बोलते हैं?
मैं तो, मेरे पे एक सेगमेंट बन जाएगा इधर. आज ही किसी ने मुझे जिब्रिन बोला है.
Pashmina. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
मुझे कोई
Jibril.
जिब्रान बुलाता है.
I like the sound. I like the ring.
जिब्रान।
Jibrin.
Jibrin.
And sir, my name is butchered badly.
हाँ, right.
Like some people don't get it. So
हाँ.
yeah, Zibran है. Jabra something. So I get all this.
You get it,
But yeah,
right?
it's actually Jibran Khan.
Right. जिब्रान खान, देखो कितना सीरियसली बोला उन्होंने। नाइला for you, नाइला,
I think she
नाइला।
wins it.
Oh, she wins it. She wins it. She wins
Naila
it.
ji.
I've
Naili.
heard that on set. Someone has said that on the
Nelly.
mic.
Allah.
And I
Nala ji is the best.
no,
Nala
this,
ji.
what he said, this.
So then what do you do? Like you lose your like.
No, I go to the happy place in my head and I zone out.
Or
But-
she raises a finger which she can't.
Right,
No.
you can do it. Like,
No, well, I feel like my name is butchered a lot more than
Right,
his.
right.
I get all permutations and combinations of Naila. I've had someone call me Naili.
oh,
I call you Naili all the
But
time out of love.
Out of love.
yeah.
Imagine in an interview,
Right.
you're being called Sunaili. Tell us about it.
उसके
Jibrin.
right. जिब्रान, पाशमीना,
इनका
नाइला।
तो नाम हो ही नहीं सकता.
नहीं हो नहीं सकता, लेकिन यहाँ भी गेम है, एक ट्विस्ट है। रोहित श्रॉफ कितनी बार बोला लोग?
Oh, that is somebody said Rohit Sharaf.
Sharaf.
Sharab.
Rohit Sharaf.
I swear that is someone said Sharab.
Right?
Safar.
सफर तो
I'm
मतलब
not even joking. Surf. सब बोल चुके हैं मुझे.
Surf.
So,
buddy.
but best one which has my heart is Rohit Sharaf.
Sharab.
बोला था उन्होंने. I am
Sharaf.
so excited to meet Rohit Sharaf. And I was like, yes, मैं अपना नाम change कर दूंगा.
Right.
This was during Mismatch season 2 when
Right.
we had this fan fest where everyone had come to meet,
हाँ.
and Netflix was going around and taking bites of people saying कि आप किसके लिए excited हो ये वो, and then this girl said Rohit Sharaf, and she just won my heart. I keep going back to that
Rohit
video.
Sharaf.
sometimes.
Bro, she was
It's
pretty
so
high on you now, maybe. You know?
nice.
Getting it? Yeah. Okay. इश्क विश्क रिबाउंड. मुझे ये बोलो. इश्क तो ठीक है. विश्क का बताओ मेरे को. Talk to us about your विश्क.
विश्क ये बताइए.
विश्क.
मोहतरमा बताइए.
बताइए. What is विश्क क्या? For you.
According to Ramesh ji, it has a nice rhythm.
Yeah.
Ishq Vishk.
Ishq Vishk has a nice rhythm to it.
It's like phone
But-
beam.
But I feel like Ishq Vishk is, you know, like you say, that whole thing of Ishq and Vish, because there's so much of confusion that you can't even club it in one word,
Yeah.
that is Ishq.
Yeah.
Because that Ishq involves confusion and situationship suddenly that
Yeah,
everyone is
yeah,
using.
yeah.
And complications and non-complications, and are we in a relationship or are we in between?
Yeah.
So I think the Vishk is etc.
Is all the in-between.
is all the in between.
Right. चलो ठीक है. आपने I think सबकी तरफ से बता ही दिया. एक काम करते हैं. कितने इंटरव्यूज हो गए होंगे अब तक?
आज के?
काफी ज्यादा.
हाँ वैसे.
आज का चौथा ये fifth.
Yeah.
No.
5. टोटल कितने हो गए? 40-50 कर लो.
नहीं. It's
20,
we're still in the early days right now.
अच्छा ओके. अभी शुरुआती हुई है. एक
20,
काम करते हैं. पिक्चर की कहानी के बारे में किसी ने पूछा होगा. तो यहाँ एक काम करते हैं. नॉट योर पिक्चर की कहानी. ठीक है.
ठीक है.
मैं जिसकी तरफ भी पॉइंट करूंगा यू हैव टू टेल अस योर पिक्चर की कहानी. दैट इज नॉट योर पिक्चर की कहानी. ठीक है. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद जिब्रान.
So it is based in a haunted mansion, and I don't want to say it, but there's a certain very handsome boy who can be a killer.
हाँ. पश्मीना.
And
So I have to continue
Yes.
from
Yeah.
his story.
Yeah.
Okay. And he's especially a bad killer because he's been known to kill cats and dogs. What? Yeah, and it's terrifying. Everyone's been catching their
Naila.
pets and keeping.
And then he kind of keeps all these cats and dogs, and then one day he sees this beautiful woman on the street, and he says, "She can be my next cat."
Right.
And that's when he realizes that she,
Rohit.
in fact,
This is turning into a
And that's
different
when she
kind of story.
realizes-
that she, in fact,
She in fact is pregnant, and
With a
all
cat.
that he wants to do is take care of that child. But actually, he's such a bad caretaker that he ends up poisoning
Jibran.
the child.
cut to
Poisoned who?
I
Who
don't
has
know.
poisoned?
The child.
But the
Oh my
child
God.
turns out to be alive, and he's born, and he realizes that the cat was actually his mother, and Pashmina continued.
Pashmina, continue. The cat and the boy have fused together
Right.
in a special ceremony. And now they have the same souls.
Wow.
Their souls are intertwined.
Yes.
Naila.
and then the alarm clock rings, and the man wakes up and realizes that this was a horrible dream, and he turns to his beautiful girlfriend. and gives her a
Lovely,
kiss.
lovely. Thank you so much for
He's
doing that.
finished the story only, like
नहीं
before
तो
they can
निपुण
speak
sir would have
more.
killed me.
One thing is established: we can't be writers.
And tells her, "Darling, shit, we did not realize this is 21st of June. We have to go watch Ishq Vishk Rebound."
Correct.
Yeah, look at
Correct.
that.
That's the
marketing
perfect
genius
end.
है.
ये
Marketing.
पूरा हो गया भाई. अभी
हमारा
मेरे को बोलो
marketing
ये जो
genius है.
बॉन्डिंग है ना ये बड़ी कमाल की दिख रही है. मेरे को कोई कह रहा था फेक कर रहे हैं इन लोग.
Shit, पकड़े गए guys.
Absolutely.
Guys,
तो ये
पकड़े
है
हैं.
ट्रेलर कि हम सब बहुत अच्छे एक्टर हैं, तो आप प्लीज जाके हमारी पिक्चर
हाँ, then तो definitely.
यहाँ तो सुया क्यों ये पिक्चर देखो सही बात है.
वही है.
काम बिल्कुल चाहिए भी. नायला मुझे बताओ यहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा स्टारी टाइप का व्यक्ति कौन है या व्यक्तिन?
क्या है?
मुझे तो
बोल दे, बोल दे.
बोल दे. अब तो बोल ही दे.
यार अगर इनमें से तो रोहित ही होगा.
अबे ओ!
स्टारी टाइप बोले तो अब नाउ प्लीज एलैबोरेट.
नहीं, no.
Don't elaborate.
I mean, as a thorough professional,
Yeah.
he's very professional.
Yeah.
Actually,
Nice save.
yeah,
Slam
he's starry
dunk.
because
ये तो मौत को चुके टक से वापस हो गया. कुछ और स्टारी यू नो लाइक.
added वो सब.
हाँ हाँ वही वर्ड वही.
अच्छा एक बात
नहीं.
बताओ. बात बताओ.
नहीं, that
Today is
will not.
day 6 of promotion. Who's been coming late to two promotions every single day?
I don't know. Tell me.
I don't know.
It's not me.
I am literally the first person to arrive. Before the host also arrives, I arrive.
Yeah,
How
me
is that
too.
start?
I'm very punctual, shockingly. Because
I
I'm
think
normally
it's safe
Are you
to say-
hinting at me?
It
Yeah.
is safe. I didn't say anything. It was him. So I would say that it's Jibran.
तू मेरा भाई है. Why would you do that?
Today I was the first person to come here.
Yes,
And
because
then,
you
that's
getting
why
ready
I
over
took
here.
the biggest room.
Absolutely. What is this? ऐसे थोड़ी यार एकदम से स्टार पहले अभी क्या
मैं
कर रहे हो
लगता
आप?
हूँ. मैं स्टार भी लगता हूँ.
हाँ, ये
Bro,
सब देख लो.
of course, bro.
That's the
जी हाँ, नायला ने क्या किया अभी अभी देखा, उसकी शर्ट के अंदर ये सब चलने वाला है यहाँ पे। एक चीज आप तीनों से जानना चाह रहा हूँ मैं, यू नो रश्मिका एंड तृप्ति डिमरी को बोलते हैं नेशनल क्रश महिलाओं का, मर्दों का नेशनल क्रश आपके साथ
रोहित शराफ।
जी
रोहित शराफ with his Sarafian.
रोहित सर आप क्या बोलेंगे इसके ऊपर?
मैं ये बोलूँगा कि ये बहुत ही स्वीट है जिन भी लोगों ने मुझे नेशनल क्रश बोला, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Who are you crushing on right now?
You can take
You
my
can
name.
say it.
You can
take
say
my
it.
name,
Say
Rohit.
it, Rohit.
Beautiful women in the film
Right.
and this beautiful boy.
Right.
But right now I'm crushing on Maxu. Maxu is our dog in the film, and that's who I'm crushing on.
He's
And that's why
like,
you-
he's
ये रट्टा रटाया हुआ
actually, he's actually crushing on Shraddha Kapoor.
Oh.
Because
Yeah,
she
yeah,
put up
big
a
time. She
beautiful
put up a
story
story.
about our song Soni Soni,
Right.
and she's put up a story saying, Rohit, you have great moves.
Killer moves.
Killer
Let's be-
moves.
Let's be correct
So
about
Yeah.
Rohit
The
is
word
on that
terminology.
high.
Right,
Yeah.
right,
Yes.
right.
I was so excited, dude.
Who doesn't crush on Shraddha Kapoor?
Shraddha? Yes.
सबके नाम। And Jibran, who are you crushing on right now?
Say it.
Say it.
Say बोल देने का दिल
Yeah,
खोल के।
everyone is crushing over here. Everyone is crushing on Shraddha.
Yeah, actually, कल से थोड़ा श्रद्धा कपूर.
Yeah.
कल से क्या हुआ था, ऐसा क्या हुआ?
कल की
स्टोरी डाली यार, and she's so खूबसूरत, so I was just like,
ब्रो हम लोग पागल हैं यहाँ पे, मतलब 50 स्टोरी और रील डाल
नहीं, मैं बात the thing
क्या क्या
is-
प्रमोशन करने के लिए क्या क्या कर रहे हैं इनका?
नहीं नहीं, the thing is उन्होंने actually बहुत ही सुंदर अपनी फोटोग्राफ डाली, so she put up a selfie and उसमें
put up
उन्होंने सोनी सोनी
Soni
गाना
Soni
डाला, so
song.
we all got really really happy.
Right.
And then
And then the love blossom.
Right.
Yeah.
And for you, श्रद्धा के अलावा वही
who
क्वेश्चन।
am I crushing on?
You know, I see these three so often
That I'm not
they
crushing
come
on
in
them.
my crush, my non-crush, my wake, my sleep.
हाँ।
These
Nice.
three.
Their
Right.
obsession.
Very right answer, bro.
Very good. Very
मैं
good.
अभी
settle
बोलने ही
for
वाला
it.
था, she is like एकदम
She is.
she
She's
like
like
this,
the,
एकदम
she's the first
yeah,
bencher, yeah.
she
Yeah.
is.
तो
She
देखो
is very
ऐसा हुआ।
correct. Yeah, always.
Politically right.
And is she like always correcting you guys
Yeah,
like
yeah,
on the
yeah.
side? Huh?
Always.
I wrote a message on the group.
No, she doesn't do that.
I wrote a message on
She's
the
not a
group that we
grammar
have.
Nazi.
Oh, is she?
She's not. She's
She's
not.
not.
I wrote a message on the group that we have where instead of responding to the message, she said, I like your vocabulary. so
It was a long chat. That's the only thing I responded to.
Right.
ऐसे ऐसे वर्ड बोलती है ना भाई.
जी।
मतलब
the rain is torrential, there's a certain nip in the air.
yesterday what did you,
You
say?
know what?
This is basic.
What is
If
the word?
Naila had an ASMR channel,
हाँ.
It would.
it would be the biggest hit ever.
Yeah.
Naila, you must start an ASMR
Million
channel.
subscribers.
एक तो
Yeah.
मैं I'll definitely subscribe to that.
100%.
डन भाई डन। देखो यहाँ इनकी पिक्चर के अलावा सब कुछ हम कर ले रहे हैं। प्रोड्यूसर्स हमारा खून करने वाले हैं कि भाई उसकी भी बात करो। टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस मूवी, कौन आया सबसे पहले फिल्म में? हु वाज कास्ट सबसे पहले?
I think Rohit.
रोहित।
Yeah.
रोहित, हाउ वाज इट एंड व्हाट वर यू टोल्ड? क्या हो रहा है? बिकॉज तब की पिक्चर शाहिद कपूर, अमृता राव, ऑफ कोर्स, यू नो, तब से लेके अब तक व्हेन यू वर टोल्ड, तो क्या था पहला रिएक्शन?
So I was actually really flabbergasted when I found out that there was another film being made in the same franchise, and I think मेरा सबसे पहला question ये था कि क्या ये remake है या फिर इसका कोई sequel है? And of course to that they said that no, this is not that, and then I was very excited to know more about it. So this actually conversation started in April of 2021, and I remember I was in Goa right after I'd gotten COVID and I'd gotten out of it, and I'd gone with a couple of my friends to Goa just to relax a little bit. And I was there, and the day we went there is when I got a call saying that, oh, you know what, there's conversations about Ishq Vishk and they want to see whether, you know, we can do something together. So I said, okay, cool, I'll be very excited about it. And then after that conversation, there was no conversation until the end of that year. And then I was shooting for Vikram Veda in Abu Dhabi. And that's where I got a call saying that they want to do a narration with you
Right.
for the film.
Right.
And of course that got me really, really excited. And it's when I was going to join the Zoom call is when I found out that it is a Zoom call with Nipun Dharmadhikari,
Right.
who's our director.
Yeah.
Who was my one of my first directors in Mismatch season 1.
Sure.
He was the second unit director. That's when I found out that Nipun sir was doing it. So I was obviously really, really excited because suddenly I wanted to be a part of this film even more than I already did. And then of course the narration happened and then things followed.
Right,
So that's
right.
how it started for me.
Pash, for you?
So I found out that this film is being made, and I actually knew that you were on board. So they're like, okay, they're making Ishq Vishk with Rohit,
Huh.
and you can test for this if you would like to. Let's go and audition.
ठीक है.
So I was like, oh my god, I really like Rohit. He's a great actor. He's a cute boy. I'm going. I'm very excited for this. Then when the first audition scene came out, I remember it was a scene that was supposed to be in the film, but I think it got cut. Where I'm talking about Sahir's hair. Okay, something about Sahir's hair with you, with Raghav. I don't think that scene is in the film anymore. We didn't shoot it. But when I read that script, I was with my best friend Ridhima, and I was just like, this character is exactly like you. I'm just going to go and I'm going to like look at you for a few days, and I'm going to go and give my auditions like you.
Right.
So then we went, we gave the audition, then we finally gave an audition with Nipun sir, where he was taking the audition. And I think 2 months passed by, I didn't get any call back, nothing, and I was just like, okay, I still somewhere in my heart felt like, okay, I think I did well in that audition.
Yeah.
And then we got a call back. They said that you're locked for the film. Come to the office, meet everybody. And my mum was there, and I remember just because I've given so many auditions before, and just nothing manifested. Right. This is the first time something manifested, and my mum was there right in front of me. And I remember we were right next to the mandir. So the Ganpati Ji Murti was there, and we both hugged each other, and both of us started crying together. And I can't explain, one of the best moments of my life.
Wow. Wow. Gibran, for you, tell me, you've been there, done that. ठीक है, बचपन से लेके नहीं, you've always been there यार, मतलब सबने इतना प्यार पहले से ही दिया है. Difficult कितना था ये पिक्चर में काम मिलना? Was it difficult? Because it took you some time.
Yes.
English.
Of course, sir. Journey बहुत ही tough रही है. I mean, I don't want to make it sound cliche like. But I think for every actor, I think today to become a mainstream actor or just to get that bright break, it takes a lot of time. बहुत time लगता है. And ऐसा नहीं है कि offers नहीं आए, but जो offers आए थे वो मुझे शायद ठीक नहीं लगे या फिर वो बने भी नहीं. So because in today's time you need a good production, you need a good distribution, these are aspects which you do think about as an actor. So वक्त लगा है, but rejections भी बहुत हुए हैं काफ़ी time, but I just felt that Ishq Vishk when I auditioned for it, and this I have not told you guys also this, but while growing up, when people say ना कि यार तुझे ऐसी पिक्चर करनी चाहिए, मुझे बहुत लोग ने बोला था कि you should do a film like Ishq Vishk, and I genuinely, I don't know, now I think about it, it
That's
actually
crazy.
happened with me. So manifestation also helps, somebody else's also must have helped for me. But yeah, it's been a tough journey, but today when I'm sitting here with these guys, even that day when we did the song, it all just felt worth it. वो weight का बहुत respect है, and it's made me something which I wouldn't have been if I got it, I think, slightly easier.
Right.
So I'm happy, I'm very happy with this, and I feel actors should go through this because it makes you strong.
Absolutely.
It makes you very strong.
Right.
Yeah.
Naila, for you, when people start recognizing you, आपके काम के बाद देखने लगते हो, उनको लगता हाँ ये तो, because एक बार पहचानने लगे तो उनकी नज़र में आप स्टार हो ऑलरेडी. कितना डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है कि एक प्रोजेक्ट में तो मैंने बहुत अच्छा कर लिया, अभी आगे क्या होगा, वो इंतजार रहता है?
Absolutely, I think you've said it. हर प्रोजेक्ट के बाद जब वो प्रोजेक्ट ख़त्म होता है, then that journey starts again. And regardless of whether you belong from the industry or you're from the outside, the struggle remains the same in the sense that अब क्या is a question that we all have. कि आगे इससे आगे कैसे बढ़ेंगे इससे?
Exactly.
What else do we do? And I feel like that's a question that doesn't really have a definitive answer. It's just something that by the grace of God and your stars and thoda kismat, you'll read certain things and you'll connect and identify, and you'll know that this is it. For example, like my Mamla Legal Hai was not something that I had really envisioned that I would do so early on. But there was just an instant click when I read that script, and I knew that I had to do something like that because it kind of called out to me. And I think वही होता है कि वो intuitive अंदर ही अंदर एक gut feeling हो जाता है that this is it. And that's how I felt about this, and that's how I felt about Mamla. And I feel कि अगर आप उस intention से आगे बढ़ोगे तब वो अब क्या थोड़ा और आसान जर्नी हो जाएगा, you know?
Right. For you, you've done a lot of work. अच्छा खासा काम किया है और लोग जानते हैं, पहचानते हैं. But still, do you ever feel कि यार ये काम हो गया? Because लोगों को बड़ा आसान लगता है कि अच्छा ये तो अभी स्टार बन गया, इसके बाद काम की लाइनें होगी. कभी होता है खुद के लिए हल्की सी वो इतनी सी इनसिक्योरिटी कभी लगती है कि आगे क्या करने वाला हूँ मैं?
Absolutely, sir. I mean, I feel every single time, you know, there is a project that's releasing. This is what I feel, that every time there's a project that's releasing, I want to already have something else before it releases, you know, so that I have some sense of security that, you know, what after this. और एक तो मुझे, I don't know, it's a very, I think it's also the kind of profession that we belong to. I feel like there's so much uncertainty that you don't necessarily know today you're on a project, tomorrow you're not on a project.
Yes.
So most definitely there is a certain sense of, I think more than insecurity, I think there's uncertainty that,
Right.
listen,
That's
when
okay.
am I going to be on another set after this? Actually, this year I started working from January. But before this, the last time I was on a film set was on Ishq Vishk.
Yeah.
Right? So for some time I was actually just at home because I didn't have anything to look forward to. I wasn't working on any other projects. And that's why, you know, so many people also would ask me after Mismatch Season 2 that, oh, you know, what's next now? When is Mismatch Season 3? And some things are not in your control, you know. A season, like for example, our first season was 2020, sorry. Then our second season was 22.
Yeah.
Third season, I don't know is going to release when. So, like, those things are not in your control. So, there are just times when you're sitting at home not knowing when the hell you're going to be on a film set next.
Right.
And I think it's moments like those where I think those, you know, spiraling thoughts kind of come in. There are days, but then also most days you're just, you know, kind of hopeful and move on with that.
Right. थोड़ा पीछे चलते 2003 when this movie released, you know, Ishq Vishk. कौन क्या कर रहा था उस समय? Jibran, where were you? What were you doing?
We were kids.
I was
yeah,
7 years
old.
You 7,
Yeah.
right?
I think I must have been the same age somewhere.
Yeah.
Somewhat.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
Same,
You?
like around the same age. I'm older than them, but
Right.
yeah. And I remember I was telling them that day that I watched the film at Chandan with my sister and her friends, and it was a house full. And it was a house full
Wow.
auditorium, and yaar maza aa gaya tha, like Mambo's jokes and all. So yeah, and Love Guru and all just stayed. Yeah, it still stays with us. So
it's a cult.
it's a cult film, and we are lucky enough to have that name attached to our film.
Yeah.
Right. एक फिल्म जो लगता है यार, जो मतलब पहली शुरुआती यादें अगर मैं बोलूं, like those days, जहाँ लगा था यार ये मैंने थिएटर में जाके बहुत एंजॉय किया था और इस टाइप की पिक्चर में मेरे को काम करना है.
Wake Up Sid for me.
Wake Up Sid?
Yeah.
You're saying
It's that
old
anything,
no?
anything,
that
wherever.
really inspired me to want to come to Bombay and be an actor.
Oh,
Yeah. It's that film for me.
right.
Honestly, very recently, Lapata Ladies. I've watched it at least 3 times already.
Wow.
It's an incredible film.
Yeah,
It
it's
is, yeah,
quite
indeed.
something.
And like I watched it in the theater, I was just like, wow. Watched it at home, wow. I would love to work in a film like that.
Right.
Yeah.
For you, Jibran?
I think of course there are many films like that, but the shift for me as an actor, many people have said it's a generic answer, but generic answer, it was Rockstar, I think. Like that just gave me that poof, like okay, this is a character which I want to do.
Right.
Something like
Right.
that.
Naila, for you?
Truthfully speaking, you know, when I saw Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum,
She wanted to be Krish.
no, I didn't
She
want
wanted
to
to take a chill pill.
Yeah, she wanted to be.
But
Just
you know,
admit
quite honestly, when I used to see that film, when I saw it in the cinema, and I saw Kajol and Shah Rukh Khan in the mountains and in the desert and singing that iconic song Suraj Hua Madham,
Of course.
She's a
I
great singer.
wanted to be an actor and dance and sing
Sling.
in slow mo. For me, that was the moment that I realized I want my hair to fly in slow motion, and I want my sari to go, and then I want Mr. Chill Pill to maybe catch it.
Beautiful.
That's the sequel, guys. That's the sequel.
Let's do it, yeah.
She's
Because
just-
Kani, you guys have
I love
already,
it.
you know,
Yeah.
you can come up with some Atarang Kahani.
Rohit is
so why not?
directing it, Pashmina is producing it. It's
But
I'll
for me,
shoot
like, you
it.
know,
I'll
another
shoot
film
it.
I loved was Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. Obsessed. After that film, when I got the same bob cut as Kajol.
you did?
Yeah.
Wow.
I cut my hair that short and then I cried after that. And why?
Anjali.
Why am I not looking like that?
प्यार हुआ किसी को ऐसा पिक्चर देखने के बाद? Have you ever like
क्या
fallen in
बात
love?
कर रहे हो सर? Of course यार.
हाँ?
Come on.
Talk to us about that.
No.
तो एकदम कूद के नहीं आना था, सब चुप थे ना.
Okay, sorry.
Gibran, your first love, tell us. जब वो पहली बार ऐसा, you know.
School, yeah, there was one, and it was just so cute. Now that I think about it, I'm like, what the, you know, like, okay. But you know, it was just cute puppy love, you know, like writing chota chits and giving it in the
that's
class
cute.
cake,
That's
you know,
cute.
like let's catch up,
Right.
you know, like that. You know, just
Rohit, you've done this?
Chits I have not done.
No, you've done. Then what were you doing like?
straight to the
BBM.
point.
BBM is what had happened with me back in the days.
Right.
But I think my first crush was, I've spoken about this. And you know, now I feel like I should not keep saying that name because one day she will find me
हाँ.
and she will come and say कि तुमने मेरा नाम बहुत ज़्यादा बार use किया.
Miss Matre.
But there was this
Miss
What was the
Matre?
teacher?
Something with
Miss Charu.
Charu ma'am.
Charu ma'am in this school that I used to go to called Technia International School in Delhi.
Right.
And I was, I think I was 5 or 6. And basically, you know how there's like a hair removing ceremony in for every child.
Mundan.
Mundan.
For me, the mundan happened when I was 5 years old.
हाँ.
So my hair was really long
Huh.
before that. And that was the first time I had no hair at all. When I got enrolled to Technia International School, I went as a bald child.
Okay.
And
to see this picture.
Oh
Should
my
you.
goodness.
And everyone around me, like the kids around me and all, they used to make really whatever, they used to make fun of me and all. So Charu ma'am just, and I would obviously get bothered about it because I knew that I had hair, it's just I didn't have it at that time.
Never heard this before.
It's so
I
cute.
know.
It's so cute. I have it. I just don't have it now.
Yeah, yeah.
So she came and there was this one time she pulled my cheek and she said, you look very cute. And that really made me so happy. So yeah, that was the first time.
Charu ma'am
जिनकी
is a good
टीचरें
one.
ऐसे करते वो नेशनल क्रश बनते बाकी लोग देखो कैसे बन जाते हमको नहीं किया किसी ने ऐसा ऐसा करके
Mundan is the way, guys.
हाँ, यार छोड़ दो बाकी
Get your
is the way.
Mundan
Nine
done.
of you
Yes.
वो क्रश वो पहला प्यार
अरे ये नाइला अपनी ये स्टोरी बहुत अच्छे से बताती है.
कौन सी
मेरे दिल के तार
मुझे बार बार ये बहुत अच्छे से बताती है इसको क्या क्या फीलिंग आती है अंदर बहुत सुंदर तरीके से बताती
What
है.
she wants.
अरे कुछ नहीं है, बस ये था कि ऑफ कोर्स हुआ है एक लड़के पे जो मेरे क्लास में था एंड वही था कि बटरफ्लाइज इन योर स्टमक,
हाँ हाँ हाँ
लाइट हेडेडनेस
क्या बात है.
and just this overwhelming feeling that you can't explain or pinpoint कि क्या महसूस हो रहा है लेकिन कुछ तो हो रहा है अंदर.
बट प्यारी था ना कंफर्म कुछ और
एसिडिटी
सर घूम रहा है
Yes.
बटरफ्लाइज इन योर स्टमक हाँ फिर so did you like tell him
Sorry guys. Getting carried.
But yeah, I feel like that was the telltale signs for me
What
to
sign?
know.
Like you need to
Telltale.
take an Eno.
Sorry?
Telltale.
Telltale, sorry. Telltale.
He doesn't know anything, poor chap. Telltale signs for me to know that, in fact, I have fallen into the deep dive of feeling a crush.
Oh, that's cute, Naila.
भाई एलोक्यूशन चल रहा है यहाँ पे पूरा पूरा
अब तो दे पुत्र,
Too good,
हमारा
सच में,
रोज
मतलब
का है,
too good,
Facts fallen in
too
love.
good. मतलब मैं तो अभी
Guys
एकदम ऐसा हो गया
are
हूँ कि
so bad.
ASMR channel.
नहीं too good यार
चलो,
too good.
चलो.
Like, मैं दो बार सब्सक्राइब करूंगा एक नकली चैनल से भी करूंगा
Very good.
फॉर यू वो पहले वो क्या हुआ फिर उसका प्यार का सॉरी
गया दिल्ली में ही है. Sorry.
दिल्ली में है
गया.
आपको लग रहा है वो
Delhi
देखे-
guys, I'm just
I'm from
assuming.
Delhi originally, so yeah, of course my school was in
वो
Delhi.
दिल्ली में ही है
हाँ,
क्या कर रहा है आजकल
मुझे क्या पता. I've moved on.
ओ यू मूव ऑन चलो ठीक है सॉरी
मेरा विश्क चल रहा है.
हाँ इनका विश चल रहा है सॉरी हाँ सॉरी हम लोग हाँ फॉर यू
Fourth grade.
वाह.
This हमारे स्कूल में पार्टनर्स हुआ करते थे and very cute boy. पर मुझे लगा he didn't like me at all क्योंकि I used to think मुझे मोटी बुला रहा है. फिर जाके पता चला कि वो मोती बोल रहा था. So I didn't do anything, he didn't do anything.
कटता तो
चार में क्या कर लेती क्लास 4 में
अरे हाथ तो पकड़ लेते.
मोती किधर है तू
मोती का पूरा कट गया ब्रो, उसका कट गया मोती का.
मोती जैसे दांत क्या कर रहा है देख किधर है वो ओके सो दिस इज इट यू नो प्यार की हमने बात करी इश्क की बात कर ली मुझे बोलो आजकल का प्यार यू नो द काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स वी गेट टू हियर आजकल का प्यार कैसा हो गया है Like what is it? Like how different is it from the good old days?
Fast.
आजकल
think
rebound आ
Express
गया है।
delivery.
Rebound आ गया या?
Situationships आ गए हैं.
Right.
Online dating आ गया
Right.
है.
Dating
on the
apps.
mix. I think it's very accessible to find many people.
Huh.
But I don't know in that if we're missing the
Circle,
spark
no,
of butterflies
हाँ, वो
and
सब.
Lightheadedness.
and lightheadedness and
Right.
the what
कि
you
क्या हो रहा है
calling
मुझे?
falling into the deep
Right.
trenches of a crush.
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
correct.
I think ठहराव भी चला गया है. People don't have the patience anymore.
Right, right.
You know, because I think everyone has this perception that there's something better out there,
Yeah.
better out there. So you don't give what you have a chance anymore. You know,
Yeah.
like you don't give it that time, वो प्यार, that care.
Yeah.
So I think वो थोड़ा
But-
fast हो गया है, but other than that, yeah,
Also on the flip side of that, to play devil's advocate, people are more sure of what they want.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
if they don't
Absolutely.
want something, they're not gonna like hold on. It's
Correct.
like cut off. This is not working for me.
Yeah.
which
Which
is
is a
also
very
a
good
good thing,
thing
yeah,
in
because you
general
know
things
what you
also.
need.
Because I
Yeah.
think back in the day, a lot of people used to stick on to
Stay when
a
it was not
relationship
working out.
when it, you know.
But isn't it all about working out, like
But you know
working
what?
like together and
It is to a certain degree, but also it is sometimes you need to see that this is really not working out. This is not the correct thing for me, and
Right.
then you have to have that courage to go like, okay, here.
the green flags and the red flags and the God
Yeah.
knows what all color flags.
Yeah.
Tell me, what were you guys up to on the sets? Because यहाँ पे ना 4 बड़े इंटेलिजेंट लोग हैं, है ना? काम को, of course, we've seen your work on
कौन?
that big
ये
screen.
इंटेलिजेंट वो आपने इसको इंटेलिजेंट बोल दिया
नहीं,
है?
जो
Just
यहाँ
because I
4
don't
लोग
know
हमारे
my
संग
work doesn't mean
हैं.
I'm not intelligent.
ना मेरा जो सवाल आ
Red
रहा था वो इन
flag.
सब के लिए जो सुन रहे हैं 4 लोग जो है ना, आप लोग अब बताओगे मुझे. So ये जो 4 इंटेलिजेंट लोग हैं हमारे साथ, लोग क्या कहेंगे? तो मुझे थोड़ा सा बताओ सेट पे क्या होता था? What all did you guys talk about apart from this film या scene discuss करने के अलावा?
I think it was a very new experience for all of us because we were all starting out together.
Yeah,
हम सबने you know there was no like seniority in that sense and everybody was pretty much like figuring
Yeah.
life on a film set. So I think हर type के struggle होते थे. मतलब मेरे लिए तो
Sorry.
मेरे
निकल
लिए
जाता था वो.
मेरे लिए तो सोना और उठना बहुत it was a full struggle for me. Like I would not get sleep.
Poor thing, you wouldn't get sleep in the night.
I would not
remember.
get sleep. Like we would work for 16, 17, 18 hours a day sometimes and I would then go back to bed and lie in bed and not be able to sleep. So matlab all kinds of struggles we've I think
Yeah.
kind of maneuvered through together.
Right, there's this thing that you did talk about and अभी आपने भी बात की वो lip sync करना और वो slow mo में. Talk to us about that. Is it like that difficult? What is it?
It's more than difficult, it's actually really funny.
It's funny.
Because so if there is a song that you're doing a slow motion lip sync, high speed lip sync, it plays in double speed.
Yeah.
So basically,
like
with
you're listening to
Suraj
it
Hua
and on
Mat Dam, it's like
3x.
Suraj Hua Mat Dam, it's like that. And in that, you have to basically emote all kinds of things.
So and what about your motion? What,
Everything is double the
Is
speed.
fast.
You just have to go fast.
Double speed में
It's
होता है.
double speed and it's shot in high speed. So when it playbacks, like basically when you sync it, it plays on normal speed.
Right.
So that was
So the first time we did
We
this,
did it was together,
for
actually,
Sony,
for Sony.
yeah,
Sony.
just थोड़ा सा कैसे किया था बता दो.
It's a lot of fun, okay? It's funny.
Show it,
Show it
And
to it.
It's
Don't-
like,
don't-
yeah,
don't-
yeah, yeah.
she is the show. It was
What do you
really
mean?
funny. She,
At one point, Vijay sir, the choreographer,
yeah.
he came up to me and he's like, Pash, looks like you're giving him some galis.
it's like, it
just
looks like
do
you're
it with
giving him
love.
galis, it looks like you're yelling at him.
Right,
So do
right.
it with love.
Yeah.
Because I think we
but then after that, I got
What
it.
was it like?
Say
ना?
na, I
Pash,
got
you
it
have to tell
also.
us. Rohit, both of you. वो थोड़ा सा क्या था? कैसे
It's
किया?
like,
wants
it's
to
like this.
see it.
It's
Yeah.
like Galveri manja, tu mera manja.
you're doing it really badly.
Come on,
यार,
यार.
No, no.
है क्या बोल रहे हैं?
No, it was, eventually we
fast.
got it. I think she took some 7-8 takes, I took some 11-12 takes to get it right because
Yeah.
it was also, actually, it was not a part of the plan. We were not supposed to do it. We were just supposed to do normal lip sync and then Vijay sir said, so no, y'all want to try or what? It's a thing, but everyone does it. See if y'all want to try it. Like yeah, sure, most, and I had seen it. You know, I've seen like the last time I remember being so mesmerized by it. Apart from all the times that you've seen it in films, I remember watching Ishq Wala Love.
Yeah,
you know
Ishq.
the song. And oh my God, the way they did it in that was beautiful, and,
Yeah.
and I was mesmerized by how beautifully is that shot, and I really wanted to do it for myself. So when he said, I was so excited about it, and then of course we started and we realized that it's not as
As easy.
as one would think it is,
right.
but it's
But
also
it is a lot of fun. Even like when you're messing up, and it looks like you're giving galis, you're having fun.
You're having fun.
Yeah.
Of course, at the end of the day, that is
Yeah.
what matters, right?
And we had the best first director to kind of do that with.
Yeah.
It was Vijay sir, and we just loved it with him.
और वो दिख भी बढ़िया, सब कुछ अच्छा जो भी हमने अब तक देखा है, everything is super cool. झूठ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. Naila, for you, tell me one difficult thing on the sets.
I think for me, I constantly go back to that one day where natural light was going and they're saying light जा रही है and you have to perform your scene. And मेरा concluding scene था film में, तो for me it was very important to give a powerful. The scene was also emotional and dramatic. And you know, if it's your last scene in the film, आप चाहते हो कि वो अच्छा सा wrap up हो जाए अच्छे से. It was a very tough situation. Clouds were coming. We were shooting in Landor. You know, thankfully I had Rohit, who I was acting with, and he was so giving, and I was able to do the best that I could do, and I hope vice versa, because he had a long monologue with me as well. But I keep going back to that as a challenge, but it was like a exciting challenge because I think we had such a great time shooting it, right?
भाई साहब इतना क्या हंसी आ रही थी, I want to know.
बोल के कम से कम full stop तो दे हंसने से पहले यार. Then it feels like you bluffing all this while.
Okay, got it.
सही जा रहे हैं.
नहीं, हम समझ गए, हमें अंदर की फीलिंग आ रही है. जिब्रान, for you, फिल्म सेट पे होना,
जी.
कौन सी एक चीज़ है जो थोड़ा लगता है कि यार अभी ये डिफिकल्ट है, लोगों को लगता है कि आसान है बड़ा? For you.
सब कुछ sir. It's not easy to be an actor. It's not at all easy to be an actor because you constantly have to be ready, like your switch on, switch off, and we are humans at the end of the day, ना sir. तो मतलब हमारे भी बुरे दिन होते हैं, तो just to get that switch on, switch off, वो थोड़ा tough रहता है,
Right.
you know, and yeah, sets are very much hectic now than they were before.
Earlier, right. For you, आसान लग रहा था शुरू में कि यार ये तो मैं ऐसे कर लूंगी, और वो कोई
No.
something in particular?
आसान तो नहीं लग रहा था. In particular, I think there were many things. Since it was my first project, there were too many things that I had to like adapt to and just figure out. But there was one particular day that was very difficult for me because we had a death in my family and we were in Dehradun. Or all I wanted was to go back to Bombay and just be with the rest of my family. But and that day I realized, no, you have to, when you've given commitment to work, it is the be all and end all, it is your God at that moment. We had a long day of shoot that day and ending with a very tough scene between Gibran and me. So for me, that day was the toughest because I had to deal with my own personal emotions and I had to deal with a hectic schedule, like a 16 or something hour shoot, and I had to deal with my energy not dropping, me maintaining different sorts of emotions, and also not letting a set feel dull because of me. So that was something that was very tough for me.
Right.
But I'm happy I got through that day.
And it's not just about that day, I'm sure बाकी दिन भी बहुत मस्ती
Yeah.
की होगी
नहीं,
और
of course.
energy full डाली होगी because
जी.
as I said वो दिख रहा है and एक बड़ी fresh feel आ रही है,
जी.
vibe मिल रही है ना?
Vibe check.
Yeah,
Vibe.
vibe check है,
Vibe
vibe
check.
check है, चारों sorted है. Well, इश्क विश्क रिबाउंड की स्टारकास्ट हमारे साथ और वाइब चेक में तो ये लोग पास हो गए. इतनी सारी बातें इतना सीरियसली जवाब देते हैं, मजा आ जाता है. बहुत बढ़िया, मतलब मस्ती भी है और that thing is also there. That thing.
Which thing? Show again. Show again.
Gravitas.
Yeah, gravitas. Yeah, thank you so much. मेरे को टीचर वाली फीलिंग आ रही है. Good evening, ma'am. Thank you so much. So what we'll do is, after now, मैं कुछ एक सवाल जवाब करूंगा. जल्दी जल्दी जवाब देना. रैपिड फायर नहीं बोलेंगे. सब लोग वही बोलते हैं तो काय को कर देगा. We'll start with you, Rohit. Kill, marry, hook up. चारों में से.
Kill, marry, hook up.
Kill me?
No, I said kill.
Oh.
That
You
was
got
the
married,
alternate
man.
ending of our film.
Are you marrying me? Oh, Naira.
He's marrying you. I thought he's gonna marry me.
रिश्तों में दरार. Naila, for you, kill, marry, hook up. यहीं पे.
भाई तूने क्या किया?
Marry. Hook up.
All right. For you, Pash.
Arey yaar, not nice.
Now that I've said
Arre?
marry.
I will marry, hook up.
That means kill shit.
ठीक है, ये भी चलेगा, कोई नहीं.
Marry. Skip. Love all of that.
Skip.
I don't know comments.
No. बदला लेने का मौका है, redemption, bro.
Kill, marry, hook up.
Yeah.
kill Rohit Saraf.
Oh no, I'm so surprised.
His name is Sharab.
Sharaf, kill Rohit Sharaf. Marry Naila. Hook up.
Oh.
लिटरली मैरी में बढ़िया था ये अच्छा है तो आपको पता लगे
At
इनके
least I
अंदर
didn't
की
die.
सच्चाई। ओके, फिल्म का नाम किसके ऊपर सूट होता है? जिसको भी आंसर आता है चिल्ला के बोलना, पॉइंट करते हुए दूसरी की तरफ। दिल तो बच्चा है जी।
पश्मीना।
Yeah, I mean.
Okay.
ठीक है, चालबाज।
ये रहा ये।
Why
No, nobody.
अरे but
None of them.
In a nice
there
way.
is no negative
Yeah,
connotation.
yeah.
एंड जेंडर बेस्ड भी नहीं है। ओके, ठीक है, दिल जला या दिल जले,
मतलब
दिल
I
जले।
don't know what that means.
जिसका दिल टूट गया, जिसको धोखे मिले हैं प्यार में एंड ऑल दैट।
Oh.
ये
actually Rohit.
इसको मिले
मिले
एनिमल।
जिब्स।
just body wise body
राइट गजनी।
पश्मीना।
And one
Gajni
more
is
Naila said to
Pashmina.
me, if you're Gajni, that's not my problem.
मुझे पता था ये होने वाला है। ओके, यू गॉट टू कास्ट अपने आपस में ही आप लोग को इन फिल्मों में कास्ट करना है। 3 इडियट्स में कौन कौन हो सकता है? 3 इडियट्स।
But you sit this one out.
1, 2, 3, 3 of us.
ओके, रब ने बना दी जोड़ी।
Gibran and Rohit.
Yeah, two of us.
बढ़िया, कल होना हो।
रोहित, नाइला एंड पश्मीना।
ठीक है, साहिब बीवी गैंगस्टर।
मैं बाहर बैठ रहा हूँ ये।
Gangsta. Ando, bro.
Gangsta.
Okay.
Sahib, BB gangster.
Nice.
good
Who's more likely to be in this gossip mode पूरा दिन?
ये।
he likes and I enjoy listening
I think both of them.
Right.
Dono.
Act very pricey all the time.
ये।
Naida.
बाइला।
Be in this बोल बच्चन mode. मुझे
ये-
पता-
ये
What is
छोटू।
it? What is
बोल बच्चन like बोलते रहने का। ओके, चलो
Chotu?
बैठे बैठे करना पड़ेगा ये। डांस स्टेप करेंगे, अपना हुक स्टेप, इश्क विश्क का। हाँ,
जल्दी करना था कि अच्छे से करना था
जैसे भी करना था अब तो कर लिया।
I think you can slow
ओके,
down
छैया। I'm loving it. ओ जाने जाना। Please.
No, continue.
निकालो,
No, continue.
Shirtless.
Rohit भी।
ओके, कजरारे। यारा ओ यारा,
Just stamping.
मिलना हमारा। या नो वरीज। हाथों में आ गया जो कल रुमाल आपका।
कौन से जनरेशन का गाना डाल दिया
वो सभी बच्चे। यार मुझे लगा था ये पता होगा।
Say it again.
हाथों में आ गया जो कल। You don't know this song?
Sorry, bro.
genuinely don't.
If I don't know it, there's
Yeah.
no chance they know it.
चलो ठीक है, फिर तो जो भी है यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा किया आप लोगों ने। एक आखिरी चीज आप लोग के संग करेंगे। टीम्स बांटते हैं, बोथ ऑफ यू, लाइक द टू ऑफ यू एंड द टू ऑफ यू। चूज करना है
Okay.
टेली शॉपिंग नेटवर्क या न्यूज एंकर।
What?
Teleshopping
Teleshopping
network.
network.
न्यूज एंकर्स, ठीक है।
Okay.
अब नाउ आई टेल
Oh,
यू।
Yeah.
now we have to behave like them. Shit.
Nice.
They thought that was the answer.
ठीक है, चलो
I've
नाउ
not seen
व्हाट
teleshop-
वील डू इज
I turn it on to go to sleep. Okay. Teleshopping plays in the background.
सो अभी हार्ड सेल करना है अपनी फिल्म फुल वो जोन में। ओके, तो टेली शॉपिंग, हु डू वी स्टार्ट विद? यू गाइस?
Teleshopping is them, no?
आई नो, मतलब इनसे शुरू करेंगे।
ये
चलो ठीक है, सो बोथ ऑफ यू। हाँ,
क्या आप बोर हो रहे हैं?
क्या करने का
क्या आपको एक बहुत अच्छे रोम-कॉम की जरूरत है?
क्या आपको डेट पे जाना है?
हाँ हाँ,
क्या आपको प्यार की याद आ रही है?
तो
अरे
भाइयों
और-
और बहनों। अच्छा, और
भाइयों और बहनों नहीं बोलते।
तो फिर क्या बोलते हैं?
महर था।
तो दर्शकों
दर्शकों।
हाँ,
कृपया करके हमारी फिल्म देख लीजिए
हाँ।
21 जून को
हाँ।
इन थिएटर नियर यू। फिल्म का नाम है इश्क विश्क रिबाउंड।
गाड़ी नंबर 320, प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 3 से।
Very bad, very bad.
नहीं, बट यू
Ah,
गाइस
you are
तालियां
patient,
वेरी गुड।
nice,
Nice,
terrible,
nice,
तुम
nice.
यहाँ बहुत ही
फोन
you
करके
are
बताओ
my
भाई
team.
सब लोग।
So you
हाँ जी,
say?
न्यूज एंकर्स
Yes.
एंड
start yeah
21st June. This is my show. 21st June में आइए।
आइए मैं बोल रही हूँ आइए
मम्मी को लाओ, पापा को लाओ, सबको लाओ। 21st
भाई
June पे
बुलाना है,
आइए।
लोगों को बुलाना है, डराना नहीं है।
I'm the news anchor. This is my show. This is my show. Yes, I got it.
राइट, द नेशन वांटेड टू नो
Nation
व्हाटएवर
wants
द
to
नेशन
know.
वांटेड टू नो। अब यहाँ पे आपके हाथ में है भाई, ये फिल्म देखने जाना है नजदीकी सिनेमा घर में इन चारों के लिए, एंड ऑफ कोर्स द एंटायर टीम जिसने इतनी सारी मेहनत की है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर विद अस. You guys are awesome.
This was a lovely
You were
interview.
awesome.
You were
Thank you so
awesome.
much. जाते जाते it's time for a masti selfie with these wonderful people.
Let's go.
Thank you.